In this video, I'll show you how to set up email forwarding in Gmail. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser, go to Gmail. Now, click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the Quick Settings panel, click on See All Settings. On the Settings page, go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Now, click on Add a Forwarding Address. After that, enter the email address where you want your messages to be forwarded, then click Next. A confirmation email will be sent to that address. Open it, click on the verification link, and then click the Confirm button. Once the address is verified, go back to Gmail settings and select Forward a copy of incoming mail to, then choose the email address you added. You can also choose what to do with Gmail's copy, such as keeping it in the inbox or archiving it. Finally, scroll down and click on Save Changes. And that's it. Your emails will now be automatically forwarded to the selected address. Thanks for watching.